Hi, my name is Tommy and our business here is Bevel Woodworking School. We're sited here on the Hook Peninsula, close to Featherton-Sea. So this is green cherry. It's very, very easy to carve. Once you have the bowl carved out, then we cut the handle, we shape it around. So this will take approximately a day. You learn how to use a spoke shave, chisel, handsaw, coping saw, okay, for cutting the curves. It's a very hands-on experience. Everything is done by hand. What we offer here at Bevel is a woodworking experience. So you would come here typically for a day, make something and take it home. So my question for you is this: do you want to make a spoon? Do you want to make a birdhouse? Do you want to make an Adirondack chair? If you do, we can facilitate you. We have the tools, we have the timber, and we can get you through the process.